Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to make a very quick video to show you how to stake your VVS tokens to get 2000% APY per year. So first off, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just someone that invests in crypto and stocks, and I've kind of learned it myself along the way. So definitely do your own research and be confident what you're investing in. Don't just follow my advice. So with that being said, if you look on the screen, you can see the APY at the moment is 2,250%, which is crazy returns. You can see I've only been staking this for a while now, and I've already made 25,000 VVS profit. So at the moment the returns are huge. Now that percent isn't guaranteed, it's not locked in, it's going to constantly change. When I first started staking it was 4,000%, so you can see it's already gone down to nearly half of that. So it is definitely worth getting in while it's still in the thousands, because there is definitely nice passive income and profit to be made. So if you look down, it says how much I've staked, and it's compounding. So every time I get more VVS, it just goes into the pot and it just keeps compounding, and every few minutes you can see it kind of goes up and up and up. So it's a really great way to grow your VVS tokens, and it's just great for kind of passive income as well, just to watch it grow. And with those sort of returns, there is big money to be made. So let me show you very quickly how you stake. So first thing you need to do is you need to type in on the App Store DeFi wallet. Now the wallet that I use is the crypto.com DeFi wallet. You want to download that wallet, and you have got the option to connect it to your crypto.com app as well if you want to transfer any coins over. What will happen is you'll see this screen on the main screen. First thing you need to do is you need to buy some crypto.com coin, which is a CRO coin. So you can either buy it through this app, or you can transfer it over from your crypto.com app or whatever exchange you hold it on. The next thing you want to do is you want to scroll down here to where it says Kronos Beta, Bridge Through Chains. You want to click on there, and then what you want to do is you need to transfer your crypto.com coin over to the Kronos Beta. So transfer however much you want on there, that will transfer over. Once you transferred it over, then you want to click on the Kronos Beta, okay, so the one above it. Once you click on here, any funds that you transferred over will go into your wallet. So you can see on there at the moment I've only got CRO balance of 8. So then how you get VVS is you click on the trade button, which is on the bottom left hand side. Click on the trade, type in your Crow balance, select the coin you want. So in this case we want VVS, and then you just literally click on swap. Okay, when you click on swap, it will tell you how much you'll receive. You click on confirm, and that will swap your CRO into VVS. Okay, so it tells you on there how much it's going to cost in gas. It costs 0.5 CRO to do the exchange. So there we go. So it's very simple to get your CRO into VVS. And then if I click up on the top right hand side, you can see I can select wallet, and now you can see in my wallet I have a VVS balance, and I have just 5 Crow now. So if you already hold VVS in another exchange or another app, you don't have to purchase it like that. You can go on to your address, which you can see there. You can copy that and paste that into the other app and transfer your VVS over. If you already hold it elsewhere, that's what I did originally. I had $300 worth of VVS, and I transferred it over straight onto here. But I just wanted to show people, if they haven't got VVS, how to purchase it. Next, you want to click on Earn, which is at the bottom next to Trade, and then you want to click on Mines. Now you get this screen, which is a screen I showed at the beginning of the video. Shows you the APY and percent return, and you have an option there to collect bounties. You can click claim, and it costs you a small percent of CRO to claim them, but then once you claim, I'll just show you how to do it. You click confirm, it costs 1.5 network fee, and basically what that does, that just gives you extra VVS. But again, you don't have to do that. That's just a kind of bonus on top of the APY percent. It takes a few seconds to go through. And there you can see VVS bounty has been sent to your wallet. So now if you go back up to the top right, click on your wallet, you can see it adds it into there as well. So that's a nice little way of making a bit of extra VVS as well on the side. So back to how to stake, you can see at the bottom there, because I've already got some staked, I just have to click on the plus, select how much VVS I want to stake. I want to stake the maximum amount that I have in my wallet on here. Click on confirm, and you can see it says the annual return on investment at the bottom is $33 if I hold it for a year, which, like I said, is crazy returns from $1. That's why it's very important you get in nice and early. Why this percent is so high. That's just going over now, and that's been staked. So very straightforward, very easy to do, and then you just literally sit back and you can see where it says recent VVS profit. Now that has reset, because every time you collect a bounty that just resets. So you still got the other bonus, the other interest, but you can see there it says earned since your last transaction. So every time you do a transaction, it just resets that amount there. So yeah, like I said, very easy way to make profit, passive income, whatever you wanted to call it, more VVS tokens for free if you're planning to hold them anyway. So yeah, thanks for watching. Let me know in the comment section, do you stake your VVS already? Had you heard about this? I'll be interested to hear, because a lot of people that I've spoken to that hold VVS didn't even know that there was options to stake it for this high percent return. So yeah, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.